Good morning!
We're on our way to the Beehive. Walking this trail.
Wow, look at the waves.
I can't zoom in on this, but we'll try to get down there. It's so much nicer than the first day we hiked. First time we came and hiked the Beehive.
1 second.
Oops. People are coming. Yep. So amazing. Look at that. That's Acadia, folks. God's country. Absolutely breathtaking. To the trailhead. Hiking the Beehive. She was getting mad because I was getting too close to people.
I'd rather have views of nature than people's thoughts.
Beautiful scenery. Last time we hiked this, it was all cloudy, couldn't see anything. It's be nice today getting these panoramic views. Just gets better and better. Wow. Soon we'll hit the metal railing, get to climb them. See, I don't remember any of this because you couldn't see it last time, Holly. This is all new to us. My oh my. Here we go. That was actually worse when it was foggy out.
What?
Yeah. Here she comes. Laugh. Oh geez. She's on her butt.
Boot scooting everyone.
Butt scooting. There she goes. These views though.
It was more of a confidence boost that we could do it.
Yeah. Oh, here's our metal rungs, as you can see. 2 here, 3 there. Climb these bad boys. There we go. Easy day. Okay. Oh, there's one here to hang on to. Here she comes. Trying to climb it backwards, get the shot. There we go.
Do you like the lifeguards at Six Flags?
Oh God, I'll make them busy if I did what the lifeguards at Six Flags were doing. If you can only imagine what my head was doing there.
Oh, look, the leaves are changing.
Nice. It's almost fall.
I don't even remember hearing the ocean last time. Do you remember that?
No.
Remember. That's how foggy it was.
But you're still here.
Clouded.
Oh yeah, I guess, yeah, the fog. This trail is only 590 feet vertical, but it's a fun one. After this, we'll probably go do Bubble Rock. It's kind of like Acadia's version of Potato Chip Rock in California, San Diego. Hey, look at this. It's amazing. God's country. My bad hip and all is able to do this. This is awesome. Yeah, I boarded out this morning nicely. As you can see, there's runs
You'll love it, yeah.
all the way up. That's where we're going.
Scary as you're doing it, but then by the end you're like, yeah.
Let's keep hiking, and we're hiking. Let's go. As you can see, we're going up there.
Don't tell your mom I made you do this. Holy.
Here we go, more rungs. I kind of went ahead of my wife there, because that guy back there was had to beep one of it out. Oh, started with the wrong one. Start with your left. Start with your left.
Wow, look at that.
Look at these views! Whew. Hashtag God's country. Whew. Holy cow, lighthouse out there on that island. Some boats. This is absolutely breathtaking, these views. Loving every bit of it. Whew.
Good.
Where's my wife? There she is. You made it. Whoa.
Took a bit of a pull. Whoa. I know what she did. Look, people down there are just starting.
Well, I thought we had a little bit longer, but turns out we're at top. There's only a few steps later. What?
Haven't hit the summit sign.
Yeah, but
How does this work?
you just put one foot in front of the other, keep climbing. It's a little bit longer. This is easy climbing now. This is like a walk in the park.
Here, I got a picture of the back.
I think it was easier this time than last time.
Yeah, I think the rocks were really slippery last time.
Yeah, it's easy this today. Now it's time for Boba Rock.
Where, are you even on the pathway?
Yeah, I think it's right around the corner. Almost to the summit. I can't wait to see these views over here. Going what, southeast? I mean northeast. There it is, and there's the sign right there. There's the sign. Almost there. Almost there.
Yeah, I mean, I also got lost though, so like I didn't
There it is. The summit. A beehive. We did it.
You gotta look down, bud.
There it is.
Getting used to it.
Follow the blue path.
Yeah, we should definitely drive up Cadillac Mountain again because the views will be a lot crisper this time.
You don't think they were good last time?
They were pretty good, but I think they'll be even better when it's nice and sunny like this. There's the sunscreen. Wow, you can...
Are you swimming in the air? Oh, we got that in the shot. Ah, the hip. That's really starting to hurt, coming down like this. It's probably not a good idea to go running yesterday on it. Only have 4 days off. Yeah, just seeing you do that is kind of making me worried.
Hold my hand.
The hip, the hip, the hip. Stupid hip flexors. Waiting for you to get ahead of me. Inflamed hip flexors are not fun. You're trying to be active. Is it this one?
I think so. Looks like steps. We didn't even look at that sign last time. We just walked.
Yeah, we're just aimlessly walking, you know. That's just good. Let's just get lost in the forest.
As long as you're on the top, I think it's a bit easier.
Yeah, it's true.
At least comforting. You can see everything.
And here we go. Just like 20 yards later, after I turned the GoPro off to save battery, here it is. Experience it with us. Holy cow. Absolutely amazing. Oh. I don't know, we remember having to climb down these rocks last time.
We might have did like a little trail.
Oh, I think I do see the trail around there. It comes out down there. Trying to put all the pressure on my left hip to alleviate some of the pain on my right hip. Here we are. So I'm going to change over to my handheld 40 stick. I'm going to get some underwater shots here. But yeah, absolutely amazing. Let's go swimming. There we go. This is cool.